biker's life is not an easy one. With folks see us, they turn and run. They say we're awfully mean. The worst they've ever seen. We do confess that we are often rude, and some may say we're even crude. It's hard to disagree that we lack dignity. We're not abnormal, we're just informal, but we know where we belong, so we rise each day without delay, rolling along. No way around us when you have found us. The four of us are a throng, but we love to sing. The chords will ring as we rolling along. Won't see us ride no Suzuki. Honda we read in the dawn, but we set ourselves a Harley. A hog is a bike you can trust. We ride forever, and forever. The road is where we belong. So the chords will ring, these angels sing as we rolling along with a song. Rolling along, rolling along.
Thanks. We are expanded sound. Not funny, lady. That's not funny, lady. I want to introduce you to the quartet. Singing the high part, Spike. Yeah. Singing the low part, Animal.
Yo!
There's something you need to know about Animal. Animal's originally from Buffalo. The rest of us are from normal parents. Singing the easy part is Mad Dog. My name's Tank. I sing the hard part. We're gonna sing a song about our bikes.
Oh, the greatest bikes of all, ones that we recall, they rode them in the good old days. Cycle gang, I am so glad I'm in a cycle gang. I know that I can always get a bang out of my cycle gang. Hear the engine roaring out with the eagle soaring cycle gang. It's like a family with Spike and Tank and Fang. I know we play a patch and you should try to catch me and my motorcycle gang. What a gang! Vroom, party, how I love you, how I love you, party. I give a belch to see the way the folks say, the arcade or and I a cruising for a cruising when I sit on my Harley. My custom paint job shines all the more when I When you know I'd rather hang and have a wife.